What's your man? One popular enough. From your voice and see your face, me I present for a brand new movie. Friend Enemy. Make sure someone watch it to the end. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Color and Book TV. Remember, you see the movie people, it's kind of comedy style. You understand? So you just watch it to the end. You understand? Remember, go over True World TV. Go over David and HD and make sure you check out Tia Films. You understand? Toga TV, respect for his friend said way. True World TV, you know where I go. I'm out.
Just watch him, eh? Watch it big old man, me I tell you, eh? Omar! Omar! Jesus, man! All this suck me, man! Me tell you, take your blasted foot off my TV, Omar! Get up, man! How much o'clock after 12 now? In a midday and you asleep? What's it?
Sister, I want you.
Bro, it's same clothes where you wear got party last night. You come sleep. Me glad on my bed you sleeping, you know. Me glad on my bed, you know. And me have to go get my bed out. Put if I ever in a hall, me have to go put it. Cause me tired of you poop in a place. Oh well, I me face you easy, you know. And you have the audacity to laugh.
I want you. Sister, I want son.
Get up out of blasted bed.
Yo, dog. Can't bother with you more while, you know, bro. One to when you in here, poop, me not say nothing.
Me not ease nobody in your face. I know my face a while ago you do it.
What your face I do this up, sis? For me is my bottom in your face. What you think I do that? Why I do that? I must get away.
Bro, enough of that. From morning me I wake you up. Mommy call from morning. So she want to send money and I hear name she want to send the money. And me I wake you up. For your get the tracking number from mommy and what happen? You just sleep. Me can't even tell mommy say I got a party last night.
So me no big man.
Nothing of bro, that's bill on you.
Better say if money in and come here and wake me up. You make me sleep till me sweat and frowns and molly. And 3 money come here and wake me up.
Remember say hall a leak, you know. And mommy are sending money to fix the roof. Because right now the carpet round this so wet rainfall last night. Wet up the carpet, me have to go put it out the door for sunny. Me goodly I'll make it on because me can't tell you right now, man.
Carpet are wet, my bed now wet.
So all you're not busy with out a hall. I say I might put your bed out there. Instead of put my bed, I go and put your bed out there, make you sleep out there.
Just give me fear and go collect the money. And something.
Me not no money.
So I have to go downtown.
All them are back there. Eh? I saw you do every time you come in off a party. Come put back up on you. Hey, Omar, me tired of this, you know. Me tired of this now, you know, Omar.
You know your problem, you know. But you same time money come on your roof fix. Put your bed in there, cause more fat and nobody no bother me. More sleep till me wake up.
No, might as well that me do.
Put it in there.
Might as well. Right now, no one, me well want to get a money so me can extend this a place, yeah. Cause me tired of this now, man. From where pick me and I grow up here stress me out in your Omar.
I want me to stress out. No, I want me to stress out.
Me and your woman have to stress out, not your sister.
Hey, no, tell him some got party last night. You say you tell him some got party last night.
Just wait till mommy call back. Just wait.
You can't chat more while you can't chat so. Chat too much, I don't like you anymore, you know. $2 US, man. You chat too much.
No. This can't buy my. This can't shut my mouth.
Alright, so $120 then.
Stops.
Chat much more.
I won't tell her nothing.
When me call like you want me call you. When my poop, when my feel look low, thinking poop them no man nah say nothing. Nice bike, bad boy. How deal it? Now call him about this Ah, see. Boy, go for that. Yo! I'm driving to see you, youth. Father. How you sell clothes? No, youth. You know, say I turn side, me fall back down from man. I say, when you see me a long time, man, I turn me, they jump out, go, man. Okay, dude. I mean, it's a nice bike, but me I say, look like me know a person, you know. No, sir. So where the ride come down? No, you know, son, my virgin lend me bike to come down here, though. To deal with something, though. But I'm a fall back feet. I say, me, I show me no fear and me, I come down here, so the doctor, me say, fall for him bike and ride, come down here, so I'm going to come back down. So I'm there, wait at 200, man, my bike is fast. Yes, I'm here wait for him to come back to come collect you. So before him forward down, I was saying, me I going to collect me down here? No, you know, say, when that's say you see me kind of did I put on this as well. You come on, see it up there. That's when you see me that fix something they said, because I don't know, it come like, the crank kind of stuck, so I showed him a while ago and he said I can look on it, so I don't want to move or nothing do it. No worry yourself, man, if nothing do it, man, I have a bridge name, Chocolate. Then you can't fix the bike. No, man, Ripper, roll of them. But you know, so really and truly, from yesterday, I did down here door. I look for you, but I don't remember a place, because I say around 7 years now since I left Nicola now and they are town, so I don't really remember a place. If you're at town 7 years, you know the whole of town, man, and I down your barn and go. You should have know the whole of down here, that nothing. No, man, I forgot which part you live, man. I link me for me account. So you can link me for? Well, I tell you right now, I know a sticky situation, you know, the situation terrible. The situation you can't jump out, you know, man. Remember say you name puppy than you know. When you go to school in the situation you can't come out. Remember say you're a genius, you know, my father. Yo, you know what I will tell you the truth. I just see the big bug here, so. Town, me come from you. I can't turn a town again, because right now I tell you the police want me like a hawk. Police want you? I mean, I know you have no troublemaker. So now that me I try to show you as no bad man, no criminal. Me a no thief. You are no thief. And me a no bad man. So what police want you for? And me a no rapist. Me a none of them something there. And me a no thief. So what police want you for? You know, some little situation going up a town, the man where them beat up a man, me I tell you so they deal with the man wicked. What you mean beat up a man? Some gang man. But them you not fight gang war? No, me not listen. Oh, the youth a fight gang war? Friend, man. Why? So what you do, fight gang war? They beat up you, me I tell you saying in a serious. In a hospital? Yeah, that me I try to show you my youth and right now they have my name say and me deal with it. So right now police up there, they kick off it do up there. Me have to run out through back door and run from them. So what you tell me say? Come on get this straight, you know. So the man where them beat up, yeah. One of the man who beat him up, favor you. So a misunderstanding his identity. Right. So they feel like so they must say me puppy then. Oh, but you and he need have some money in his pocket and they must say me thief, but me no do that. Cause me ain't did it. No, me ain't did it. Cause no you. No, sir. So then obvious for you a misidentity. Right. But for the people them obvious person of interest. So that means they want you. To forward in a station. Because then forward me hard and run left them. So make you run, you can't care yourself. No, because what you know is when they forward, me think a gunman a forward in the house. Oh, then kick off the door, so I tell you so I have to run out. And I run out from here, so then you know the police, you know the news I was saying now. Because Papa, when Papa read news and you want your name on the spot me, then he said, dirty corner boy, no. So I feel like you should have just care yourself the next day and just clear up yourself. Maybe you could have still that town. Why, may I tell you, say? But anyhow, where you say you can check me for now? That's the important part. I just forward if you can check it, because I say I just build back with you a little bit till me everything kind of clear up the side there. Build back with me, up off my yard. You have a turn up there? Yeah. Me are bridging, man, but you know, remember I want 4 cub my mother left give me and my sister, man. Gonna
Four
foreign.
like 4 kubo, then put it 4 lemon. And that you know in our best.
Well, as so country people call one room, 4 kobo. The only thing will look good on your house at the veranda. Me can't have no place if you put your...
Then I can't stand on the veranda, my father.
No man, me can't make a stand on the veranda. Remember when rain fall, it blow in and out of the veranda. You know?
Me no matter about that man, right now better rain fall for me and blowing more than police catch me and alive me or something.
Me can't decide that right now because me and my sister up there, me and him can't agree.
So hold on, how much bed in our room?
2 bed in our room.
Then I can't sleep
no,
on the bed with
my
the
sister
sister.
sleep on one and me sleep
Me
on one.
can't sleep on tape on the bed with the sister.
No, me can't do that, and my
What's
responsibility.
your man? So you not trust me? You feel like I'm a rapist? You feel like I go trouble your
I
sister?
not trust your principle and my sister's decision that I'm knowing
Then
I'm going to do it. Right now, me have my woman right now, Aliyah. You see me? And by any idea, she won't come. Alright. When he come there, I went here, Ghana shop. And we just quick and fast. You understand? So, me can't school.
Alright, so you and your sister sleep head and tail and you give me favor.
I'm going to sleep with my sister.
Yeah, I put head and tail. When you
man.
normally couldn't sleep head and tail.
No, me can't. Yo, listen me, man. Me have to go down and say, me see about some talk. Me have to go down to Western Union. Because my sister,
go for that. That me I try to show
my
you.
sister just wait. Me
So hold on, you want me go back to town and police analyze me? That you try to tell me?
Nah, say if you go back. Me can't talk about this.
Come on, me you fought from far, you know.
We used to when me I say, man, you have a bike.
I say I know my bike, this year I say I for my virgin.
Me know, but me I say me I go down to Western Union and come up. Me can't talk about this.
So me fit turn up and wait for you.
Just stay as man, me not take long, man. Me have a link on Western Union, you know. I'm a big body girl in the life, but me not like him because I'm barely bigger than him body. Me soon forward, you see me? When me forward, just stay right there. Soon come.
So you know nothing pay hard for it?
Come on, me soon forward.
Some of the Western Union money that we have, wait till they come back. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy whenever you fall.
Hello.
Sorry.
Who you be?
Good morning.
Morning. Who you be?
My name Popidan, Omar, friend.
Me none of my brother have no friend named Puffydan. No.
No man, actually a long time, me no forward down the side because me did move and go a town, go live a town, so I check him back in a place now. Just see brother.
This no sound right. Oh, so where you go with bag and pan or something?
No man, me and brother did have a conversation out there a while ago and he said I go to Western Union. Then I tell myself to wait for him. Oh, there's about 3 sun hot. So me that say I come over here and I come wait for him, but no disrespect. Me know you know remember me. I mean me not say you know me, you remember me. The sun hot, me no know I could have sit down right this up on the chair, please. Right, sun kinda hot out there.
Me can't just let it, me understand say.
Alright, so your brother not gonna Western Union.
Yeah, but
So how me would I know that?
I could have come in on me yard this morning and hear me and my brother discuss about
Watch on man.
Union.
Watch on man. Get that straight. Me not invading the people privacy.
Puppy Dan, puppy puss, puppy whatever you want name. What you doing here?
Alright, I'm going to say something to you, make you remember me. Which school you normally go? No Merlin at you normally go.
Yes.
And your brother normally go Green Island High School. And your mother live overseas. And your mother left the house for you and your brother. And your brother live in it. And you have 2 beds in the room. You sleep on the little one and your brother sleep on the big one because your brother love roll and he love fart and he love party.
Puppy Dan.
I'm tell you, I remember me.
I still remember you know, but you know too much about my family, Fifi. Come in, man. Me can't let you in my house, though, you know. But
No
I
man,
can't sit down
I tell you
yourself.
say everything good man. I tell you say, and your brother tell me say wait for him out there so but your son hot. So you know what time to do, please. I tell you say I'm thirsty. I walk come all the way from bus park come up here.
Supposed to have one water can go and get. Alright, sit down right there, so don't move in now.
Me nah move, alright, that's what me stay. She's sexy though. You know, take me and say I'm here forever. Yeah, and I know chip in the night. Tia,
Oi.
you don't know chip in there.
Water here. So you want water, you want chip
Thank you. I tell you that Where town me I come from, me not really have nothing.
Alright, let me see what me can find in there.
Alright.
Here?
Alright, thanks.
I lost chips me have left in
You
there.
know more water than you do.
No, me don't have no more. I lost water, me give you.
Alright, thanks.
So, I say you're thirsty?
Me I tell you man, we a bus spot me out. You know, say if you tell you the truth, from yesterday me come down and me I tell you say I want to look at shop pays and me end up asleep because I remember me name remember which part Omar lives. So me I tell you say this morning now me rise up and me ask 1 and 2 people and then tell me.
Why, me understand. So, what really going on town to make you come down here?
You know, so really and truly, I don't want to go into the conversation there, but I get a little thing about this still. You see, politics business we are going right now, a peer violence are going up at town with that right now. So everybody are run from their community. So me have to just run to it. So everybody are run, what me have to do? Me can't walk. Me have to run, left them up better.
Me understand.
Because some of the people they want to vote for this politics people, yeah, and you don't want to vote for it, and if you don't want to vote for it, then take you all out of your house and dash away. And alive you, so me can't turn up this up.
What's up the stay, man? What?
Up this so dangerous, man.
Well, me no know why Omar talk about, but as me say, I can't go and wait for him to be come. And him tell us say one room we have.
Yeah man, he explained all of that to me, but to tell you the truth, I asked him say I could stay here because I want a little work, you know, I can rent a place down here, you know. But he tell me say I no feel alone decision that I'm and his sister live up here. So I say if I ask you, I really respect that. I tell her say politician business make me lose all my girlfriend. I tell her say then dash my girlfriend away because she don't want to vote. They want she vote for JLP and so she don't vote she do PNP, then dash her away.
Oh God. Oh God. No bother cry, no bother cry.
Me no want nothing like that, so that's why me have to come up here. If I even out a door, me have to sleep. Me sleep out a door. Me turn bodyguard phone up here. Me no want to go back at town none at all. Me rather sleep at door.
Boy, Puppy Dan, it's sad. Trust me, it's sad, but me
I
can't.
talk about him in the mind. I'm back to have a miss my girlfriend.
Oh God. Puppy Dan, alright. Nobody cry. Do. Me I beg you, no cry. No cry. Me understand everything what you say. I'm sorry for all of what you've been through. And I'm sorry about your girlfriend. You understand? But one room me and my brother live in a one dege room. Sorry about your girlfriend.
Leave remember me tell her she's pregnant and me youth me lose.
Puppy Dan, no cry. Do me a beg you, no cry. Just calm down, please. Anyways, a one room me and my brother live in a one dege room.
No.
One room where every morning, every night in easy body in there. And me cannot add another body to the room for ease. Cause me not like when nobody win around me. You understand what I say? So
man.
you really have to go talk to him though. Cause that boy is stubborn. When me say stubborn, me mean stubborn. Me no know the hall in the way you maybe could have sleep. But me no know.
If I be veranda, I try to show you. If I before no give me one sheet and I lie down there up on the step. I try to show you. Me just don't want to go back at town. Me don't want nothing to do with town. I want to come down and start a different life. If I ever want to walk around, gonna give me right now, I tell you so me do it.
I hear what you do, Puppy Dan. Sit down and wait for Omar. You understand? And talk to him. You see like how you ball to me? Ball to him. Maybe with softening heart and make you stay. You understand what I say? Just not cry too much.
Thanks for your water and the chips there.
Yeah. But Puppy Dan, let me ask you one question. No offense. You cry often?
No. I just because the situation now.
No start, yeah? No start. You don't have to cry. No cry none at all. I bet you cry inside. You understand what I say? Or you not get it?
Me get it long time. I show me a man for true enough to cry.
Don't cry. No cry.
Alright.
So don't it stay violent. And then this politics thing. And not even politics, politics. Come me like say, it just make it people them a live bad against them one another. And then he pop it on him. Come here the ball. The man, and he not bad looking but when he ball he ugly. If you ever know he ugly with the ball. Jesus. No sir. Hard for look man when he ball. No sir, ugly people no fi ball. That's why me. Me no ball. No sir. Yeah girl. Me say mama last night me see her out the road.
You are my baby. My baby.
So how feel being father, you good? Oh, it's moderation. You have to give me a joke here, man.
Babes! You know how long me out the saw caller?
Never hear you.
I chill up on your phone and I hear babes man.
I'm so call about.
You don't have to hang up the phone man, you can't talk who you talk to man.
No man, Shana, I'm so call about.
Oh, Shana you talk to?
Yeah.
Shana! What on?
Lady here. Right.
Ah. Boy, man, I tell you.
So where you come
People
from?
fi have money, babes.
So.
People fi have money. Me say me dream me got a party last night. Me don't know how me no call if I got a party last night. Me can't dream say party so nice and me go down town me saw my brother and we Western Union. I say party nice!
So I dream about the party?
I me go down town and the big head boy tell me, you shouldn't even tell me. Come here plan to got a party last night, you know. So me say me dream 2 words type and me get up and my sister cut me. So me lie down in her bed. Late. Me I say who does that? So babes.
Me dey hear.
Boy, me not tell lie.
Me I wonder how you not going to check me for money.
Boy, me say me drop asleep last night. Cause new clothes. When me want to go a party, I want me a hot out and go a party.
But the party pass.
Me say me drop asleep in my good clothes and bigger sister cut me like a film clothes. Me can't bother with the more. More me say babes. Me say him wake me up, you know. Every minute my sister just a pop in her room like you know remember saw me and him live in her room.
Yeah.
As mommy send the money when me go pick up her now, me and make him put in bed in her hall. And me have cut one door round at the side. That means you can come in and come.
But she not have no behavior.
In bottom now have no behavior. In bottom. I mean I say it to nobody if they feel like me what my sister bottom, but in bottom.
Did you drink?
Me not tell us in my dream, so I drink 2 red stripe last night in my dream. Maybe I had something else so.
So how you fit dream and it smell upon you?
Boy, me I tell you the truth. I right person.
No, and not smell like a red stripe, smell like you drink strong rum.
Boy, be you ask me the right question, but me can't explain. You know what tell a lie.
You smell like you drink, like a guy would not tell me say a guy would have something.
Who does that? Hold on to that man.
Oh yeah, dream for true, man.
Yeah, me a dream,
Yeah,
man.
dream.
You understand?
You going to say you go gym tonight? What?
I love game money, you know.
You go gym tonight?
I learn a little bit. I know the
business.
amount of the thoughts. That's how I pronounce it. Yeah, the thoughts. Yeah.
So you say you go gym tonight again?
I tell my sister say me give no money.
Nah, I told me for them.
Yeah, I got work tonight. Just put on money out of that to buy one buckle or something. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
What we are going to do? Yes.
You know, buy one buckle.
Yeah, we are going to do. See later?
Yeah.
May I lead on our gym so we are there with a buy a buckle here.
That's good, you know.
Yeah, we can dream.
That's good.
So we buy the buckle later. So
nobody now go see we in a dream, baby.
I mean,
when you got with people that go see we.
We are going to dream so we there one party. Dream so we are with the igloo.
You know, say me love
big
you.
party.
Me love you, you know.
Yeah.
And me love my sister, boy. You know, say two and a apart too much. Me soon come, I go over go bed. When you want to come link Tia, you come link me. Yeah, my sister apart too much. From man, me just a cuss.
But me not cuss.
Me not really mean cuss and for, you know, love cuss. When you done bed, come check Tia and check me over bed and lie down. Yeah.
Right.
Love you, yeah.
Alright, love you. And dream again, no, but this time dreams you have millions here.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lord God. Tia apart moment too much, you know. Boy, man. Man, where you are? Puppy Dan.
Yeah.
How are you do up here?
My old, I tell us I'm out of bamboo chairs and the sun and knock me out. I have to come up and sit up. I beg your sister to sit down on the veranda. And I say I sleep, me all asleep.
Father, come me pass the bike out and I wonder where you gone. Can't live out there so me left you, I don't expect to come see up here so. So when you sleep you back your chunks.
Watch now, man. Me never do nothing like that.
Dash you that. Just
So yeah,
remember, wash your hand, man. Wash your hand. When you chop up meat, you have to wash your hand raw.
Never did I do nothing.
Yeah, man, wash your hand, man. You can't cut up meat, man. Yeah, wash your hand.
Yeah,
Me there, man. So you're tired, brother?
I tell you, say last night I didn't get no sleep, you know.
You come like a town you walk from, come down here. I can't downtown. I can't down the Negril bus park you walk from. Half the Kingston you walk from, come up here. Through the whole of them election there. What you call it, camping and everything
I
there.
didn't get no sleep last night. I tell you, say it's a short place I'm sleep and father. That me try to explain to you, man.
Father, you.
You say I go on and you say no forward but you talk to me. So I can't.
Me have to go talk to my sister, you know, so, cause as me say, this is not for me alone. And as I look at all room and place where mommy left give me. My female and my sister control so I can't make a decision.
I really try to violate your things, you know, but I don't know if you could give me a toll.
Well, I don't violate, you know, you want it so you have to accede. But me just want to pick up and look money for my little sister, you know, to fix the roof. And that one good too, because my sister say you can't turn in there and go up in the hall. And the little girl take $1,000 out of my money run what your name?
So I'm going to get in, take it.
And I smile, he kinda cute, but he even knows if you take money out of people, money what them not give it to you, you don't ask, he not cute.
Alright, see if I can talk to your sister for me, please. She'll give me a little water to and one chips.
Alright, just go and sleep, man. Just go and lie down, man.
I go and wait, man. I think, when me hear what I go on first, me sleep.
Alright, that's alright.
I really, yo, me don't want to go back at town and if I ever do, me have to sleep, general, I swear.
A slow time, you know. You can't use a whole of your money, you have to put it just for rainy day. Sister! Wow.
They're just gonna wash up some plate, right now.
Well, money me go for it. $50,000. You take a silver them. You see it? You see your face smile up and now you count the money. You know so that you wake me up out of my bed, you know, if you go for money. See you calm down and you want something.
But bro, a 50,000 mommy said, right?
Yeah.
But this is not 50,000.
How much that?
This shot 11. This are 39.
Let me not take 10,000, sis. Remember, say me take 10,000.
Bro, or you have to take $10,000 all time money when you fix the place, bro.
But like, why make you like argue about money so for nobody didn't hear it?
I'm not arguing, I argue about principle. Alright. You say you take
10,000 for me.
Alright, you say you take 10.
Remember, say I got more new shoes and you know.
Bro, you're unbelievable. Shoes in a damn time when we need for fix up your place, bro. You see condition already. What want to you?
So sis, you want me to walk in a dirty slippers going to send on them? Mommy I go send money again weekend. So me for the walk going in a dirty slippers?
So what wrong with that? What wrong with that? Out there you walk in a clean slippers and you don't have nowhere to live. Which one you prefer?
Me a hot boy.
Hot boy, I live in a place where I live.
2,000 tenner, 2,000. Kerchief for 500. Me a hot boy. 6,000 pants.
Alright.
You know
You say you take 10,000. Where $1,000 then? It's short of $1,000 then.
Short of $1,000. You know, so when me in a line, me see look up big belly, fat bleach out girl. Acquaint me off. You know, so 1,000 take out of the money. And he tell me say take 1,000 out of the money, you know. I want the wickedest thing when I take money out of people, money and then don't give it to you. That is steal. That is dishonest. Come see ma. Me nah go back when I was saying money.
But you know say you're original.
What me original with?
No, you're original man.
Alright, look
One
here.
day if I 11,000 you take gay girl.
Which girl?
A girl run a Western Union.
Me figure girl level 1,000.
I remember say you have your woman Aliyah figure money. You could give her 1 5 grand out of it. You give woman on a Western Union and
I send money weekend again. You give her 5 grand out of that. Sister, you think me I take level 1,000 give girl? And that can buy one shoes on a kicks or down a mommy in front fire station. And if you give him level 1,000, I mean, see him a wash it and hang you up. You're mad.
You're right, you know, bro. You must know, you know. Me tell you, I'm going to put your bed out of the hall for rain wet you.
Sister, buy one party no man out of that, man.
Buy which party? Buy which party? You see 11,000 where you take out of the money, you should have buy one party. Me not laughing with you, no joke me now with you. Put fun and joke aside now. You know pass big belly puppy that out there, so.
Right in. Me remember, sis. You remember puppy Dan?
I can't remember who name, so all him, and he know everything about me, you know. Which school me used to go, Sam Merlin, Ati me used to go. You used to go Green Island, and your friend from, me don't know him.
I remember, you know,
Me can't remember him.
Boy, you know, he must say he getting some little problem at town where you know, he must just run you, come down here, and he want one place to stay. But me I tell him, say me can't make a decision by myself. Because it look like, you say you walk around a bus park, and you go to bus park, come up here. And to me, you know, sleep on the veranda, and be in basket like in my bucket chunks. So me have to tell him to wash his hand, because when he chop up meat, he have to wash his hand. He look like he must sleep like a weird Kingston he walk from. So me tell him, so me have to ask you. I mean, I really like, to be honest, I like stranger in my yard, you know.
You know, say I want to win. So that the part they all tight. But he all day in the sun, bro, are your friend. You can't have him out on the street. None. Me not like that.
Remember say you say when you fix up the all. Remember say when you fix up the all, you say you go take your bed and put it in the side.
Well, we delay upon that for now. You know, say Anna tell me about baby mother. Say you have one unborn. A girl, they're unalive.
Unalive girl?
Yes.
So you didn't tell me that I must show in the parish. Jesus.
Maybe that.
Father God.
But tell, yes, he tell me say they're unalive girlfriend.
Stress out, that's why I'm asleep, so.
So not that me I tell her say we can't just shun him, so we have to put him up, bro.
Me can't put him up like how you say that good, you know, but me don't know if and everybody stomach strong, you know, sis.
3 hours a poop.
Must I tell you put more?
You poop more than me.
Well,
but
in our family.
Listen.
So where's me tell him some houses?
Tell him saying can't stay in a hall, man, but I don't know how I'm going to work out in like I see you spend money or time money and shot.
You can't plan that again, man. Just cool, man. Sis, a consignment me are making tanning upon you.
Well, anyway you want me
consignment, that means I'm not long. I'm a friend, but
talk to him,
you understand?
Man. Talk to him, because I feel sorry for him. How am I going to balling ugly so?
You know, the friend him go school in ball and he ugly.
Jesus!
All him friend you so like, hey, you know, so ugly people from the ball. Alright, look when me a ball, what me do. Me go lock up in a room. While beat down the door and so I ball me no, when me ball me ugly.
The man a balling, he could have started up his show.
You mean a ball?
Yes.
You should have take a picture and post it on TikTok. So what you say, making turn in the field?
Making stay, man.
You sure?
Yes, bro.
Alright, me
I'm not forever and I just feel.
Consignment.
Give him a time period.
Or loan.
Give him a time period.
Alright.
I'm have to left. Come see a come out and see so that the sister get bad in my left.
I know that man, I can't wear my sister man. The money, I just love money too much. I just see money and problems.
So I'm to it already that in so.
I want your man lower that no man.
Sorry.
That $1,000 for rainy day. Me give it bank tell around $1,000 and he give me back $1,000.
But me hear your sister.
You chat too much. Me need to make up my mind yet. And you chat already.
No, to me over there, me and sister is something about level 1,000. So yeah.
And a level 1,000 you say. You say a level 1,000 black if you buy.
Oh, sorry.
But you can't buy a level 1,000 black.
Chat too much true. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But anyhow, yeah, my virgin, you know, puppy dan. And so you didn't tell me so you analyze your girlfriend and your baby in your girlfriend belly. You didn't tell me that. Puppy dan, nobody start the crying. Between me, you know, puppy dan, my sister Rita, you know. But you say you ugly when you're bad, you know.
No, like that, me tell you say. When you bring up them the statement, they me tell you say, I just remember about my girlfriend.
Puppy, me kinda get it, you know, when you cry, cause, you know, but come on, man. You make my sister hate you, man. When you hate you, one problem, you know. You're kinda ugly with you when you're balling. You're kinda hard to look. You know, ugly, you know, your heart to look upon, like, you see when you look upon you, like, me can't see, but you did, you know, cause your heart to look upon. You know, the balling, man. You go inside of your stay.
Inside of your stay?
Inside of your stay.
Stand.
No. Hold on. It stay come with contract, rules, discipline, agreement, time frame.
So what do you mean by contract?
I'm sit down, let me tell you. You're sitting in the office. You are going now. Remember my sister now. Let me tell you this apart, you know, but me and no mama man. But me have to tell you because you're my friend. My sister can never look a problem with.
No, me not do them something. Me only hear you do it.
Eh?
No, when me come up here, me I hear somebody sister say
you only somebody can tell that. So you're my sister in a chat then?
No, your sister never said nothing to me. She only give me the water and the banana.
So you give you water and you not say nothing to you?
No,
my sister not give you water unless you know you read out your file.
Because me tell her about the situation with my baby mother.
Alright, anyhow, this is what me say now. It's a consignment. You might put your pan.
Consignment,
yeah. Lay away. You know?
I don't understand that.
Like when you go borrow a loan, man, you have to pay back.
Oh,
and consignment, you can't take it and pay for it, man. Meaning, you're not there for long. Oh. You just a look catch.
No, I know, so I'm not there for long.
Yeah, you understand? So I just that.
I can't borrow a bathroom though. Like for me in the hall, I can't have access to the bathroom.
The water not there for flushing, so I don't know you
have
to go like that.
I go to a bed, I don't go to bed.
But if you want water not there for flush you, you go to bed.
I go catch water road then.
You're so mad. I know you talk. Alright.
Respect again, you're my father.
Yeah, I'm a general in a man.
You are my general.
Just school up
and today me add 10 more % on the respect I have for you. 10 more %.
So how much percent do you rate me? Why? If I write decision me make, man. Hold on there. What more man have to come over here? Hey! Puppy Dan! One more something! Puppy Dan!
Please just some girl that look like she Tia! Guys! Kuya! Tia!
How that?
Girl, now can't ask her who that. Oh, Tia, what one? Girl, me say, if I'm mad, if you come link you. Sit down, girl. Girl, me say, if I'm mad, if you come link you both.
But what?
Me auntie, but a politics time if we not go on campaign. Me say, what campaign? Which campaign? Me is nothing. Me is Shan. I am going to the beach. So everybody put on their clothes and sit on the beach. Me just a come back much rum and food and sit with drinkers. So what one?
That's nice. Me can't get a moment of me yard in peace.
What happened?
Eh?
Come like a God send me up here. What happened to ya?
You saw know what happened? For me brother him. When I top fat down the place. Him a want stress pan for me head right now. You not have come here, you know. All when me not call you not have come here.
Alright, yeah.
Then
You want me he's up here, tia?
No, I don't me a make girl. But big and serious. Then me have an additional person in this household, you know.
Yeah.
And you know the place. Which man? You ever see me? You see me have man?
Then who for there again? Me not see
One
extra
big belly
stickers.
boy. When I me brother friend named Puppy Show, Puppy Dan, Puppy and I don't know any name.
Only a puppy show in him. Cause where am I doing?
Eh?
Only a puppy show that comes to come live.
Right now me know.
So where am I got on?
I goodness of my heart make me make you stay here, you know. Me talk to my
Mr.
brother,
Your
you know.
heart.
No, if it's true, listen what happened now. Puppy Dan come from town. Well, in the
Hey!
grow up down here.
You
Then
can't
he
just
got
come from town and take them in your
no,
house.
man, a good youth, man. Make me spirit just take him.
Oh.
Worse than they tell me, say, they analyze in baby mother. Say, politics.
I wonder if him analyze the baby mother.
No, girl. A true politics, they want him for she for vote and true she not vote and one bag of
So
something.
like, as she alone they analyze and they not analyze nobody else.
Me no know. You the think too far, Shan, man.
Alright, cause you know
Sure.
we have trust issues with man, picking and girl and everybody.
You the gone too far.
Where your brother dey?
I don't know when
Me
God,
see him
you
down
know.
your brother dey a floss off him in the house.
If you ever know, say last night, boy got a party with the last money he have. Last money. Omar take got a
Me
party.
see him down so what dey huh? To bartender, Western Union me a go.
Martha that he doing mommy money when mommy send the money in take he go party.
Big man like that and him mother still a fear send him money. He's a sack of salt up here, be up
Right
here careless up here run loose.
Right now we have the leak. The leak right now. You understand
You
what
see when
I
me
say?
say up here run careless, you see what I mean? You see what I mean? Because how the hell you have fear leak and you can your money go give run bar?
I don't know, right now, and not even that my problem. I pop it on my problem.
Yeah,
Come in
one
here and
thing
come and
though.
stay.
You ever do things and then you have problem. You
You
ever
couldn't
make
make
a wrong move and then you have problem.
Listen now,
You
Shan.
never think about it before you say you're gonna have problem before you make a decision say problem again.
Shan, if somebody they ball to you, the man sit down yesterday, ball. They ball and then when me hear about him, baby mother, it just soft for me heart, man. Him all a beg saying I'll stay out a door. Me can't make him man stay out a door.
If I want to come up and call him, I tell you say me sleep and he all stop. If you take me in. Yeah. Anyways, them people are come from foreign and sitting, so you can stay very dear family job. I left right now, cause I don't know where I'm going
I don't you there, anytime you come up here. Anytime you come up here, me tell you my business.
Careless.
One.
You know, careless.
You know what's that? I don't know what do they know. When this has sit me and I walk. What Jesus?
Yo. Again.
What on?
How we had do?
How was so they antagonize me from morning, man? But you look like this,
I try to know you was in the car if you make him bite me. Again, where your brother there?
I don't know where Puppy there now.
Me say, you don't have come over here, come and tell me, say, how you there do it, you know. But we know him.
So he come over your yard and tell me. He come over your yard and tell you, say, and me the Puppy place.
Yeah.
He wicked like a one. He wicked like a one. Then you believe him? You know I
I
love.
know see him.
Oh.
Me know.
Why then they are out there so? Out a door this side go and put you in bed. And the top 40 people place in there.
So I got a good.
Good girl, me just they are going take a rough life easy and something.
Let me see me come and check you.
And then what's the me I try
I'll go check
get rid and so me I go wash the bathroom there and same time I see her come. So we have to deal with differently.
I do know. Me say me come link you and your
Yeah, what
brother.
you want?
Come in and think
You want stand there nothing man. If you don't trouble me, not trouble yourself. Just so.
I kill if you kill you, I want to slap him in the
Eh?
face. And then someone can slap him in the face.
You know say
Get
it's a good idea. But me no want to go dirty up your wall and that a problem.
Use the broom.
You do it.
Oh.
Can you tell me if you use broom next thing you go get
Let
it
me
and
get up
fly?
and go this and then use the
Me no
broom.
want to go. Make it time. No trouble when no trouble you. So what now? So my brother you can't look for me. Cause if you not come look for my brother, you come like you don't know if you can link your sister-in-law.
But my brother there, so if me come here, me have to see me eventually. But you're there, you know, say me come link you and so off. What you call it? It seems like you're going to sea water or something. Your color just died down.
Calm down now. Calm down. Me did borrow a little color and then take it back.
So ask where there.
Me give it back to the owner. Me give it back to Mr. Chin. You know, see, bleaching get there. Lord of mercy. Upon I, Jesus. There, girl, the time was hot and just tormented me, I tell you, man.
In case you didn't know,
See,
baby,
who you
I'm
come
crazy
today.
about
See who you come today.
I want to go on, sir.
Eh? You don't say nothing.
So you turn on somebody so like a chat to not chat me.
No, sir.
But what if you chat? What if you chat, Omar? Sis,
In case you didn't
I'm
know,
going to say, wash my bathroom.
baby, I'm crazy
If me no
about
wash it,
you.
Poopy no wash it.
Hey, watch on the man. Watch on the man.
Bro.
Mix up, family. Yo, I like him more, you know. So I'm
Your sister happy.
Yo, you know I sell more, man. Sure. So what happened?
I'm there, you know, say me come link you.
God no, man. I'm glad you come. Hold on there. So babes. So Tia no give no. What you want to call now? No heads up or no information say we have guests here.
Which guess?
One of my virgin man, Puppy Dan.
Jim.
He's like he come from town. Cause he live here before, you know. But him that town and he must have pay a war and he lose him baby mother, then analyze him baby mother and him baby mother is pregnant. So he now have no place to stay. Tia take him and put him in a settee behind me back. Well, my virgin that still at cool, cause
So, you don't know say in there?
oh,
Puppy.
me know say in there, but me never know say in there, but me know say in there after me know say in there. Yeah, but he cool and my friends still, you have to serve for people, you know. And friends say Tia serve for people, that means say Tia not really serve for people, you
You
know.
don't like people for
Tia no like Tia and he will like himself sometimes, worse when he broke. The only time he like himself or like me when mama send her money and he wake me up because send me. Baby, Puppy down walk.
Sorry about that.
I go walk to your wrong yard. I tell you, say a pay dog run me down a while ago. Hold on. Who shall you walk? Over Paul?
I don't know where it's funny.
One look one room and it a rotten down and you know paint.
It's same man.
What make you go over the so by people in the
I
yard?
know I want nigga tell me so I can go through the shortcut. This is so I go through
Hold
the
on, one ugly
shortcut.
dog you want to kind of cast.
There's ugly dog.
A Bruno.
Say a fear dog.
I feel Paul, you saw one next one over there when teeth Kingston you ugly but you know ugly but when you look on him he ugly. So one next one.
I need a look at too much of them.
I want to name Paul like a man for you but you name him Paul.
Oh.
You can't believe that you run from brother man. Dog you run from.
So you not get up and run and left me?
Me I look.
Bad manners and hello.
Hello.
Oh, babes. Puppy Dan, my baby, my sweetheart, my love and my life, Alia. And she me tell about.
Oh, big up yourself. Me I go in here so go build back in the hall liquor.
Yeah man.
I don't talk so me no
No problem. No, me I hear man, no problem.
And respect again, you hear me from?
Yeah man.
Big up yourself.
I know what back through pa, yeah.
Nah, do it again, cause me nearly have heart attack.
Alright. I want to say something to you on the forward.
Alright. How about this, a cologne?
Yeah, man. A cologne, man. You can't use it if you want, man. You can't spray.
Yeah, mosquito pan you.
Yeah, mosquito cologne too, man.
Oh.
Alright. Then, baby, if you want to use the cologne, you can't use your better feel. I can't listen that a dog man around from before man back and run down the dog them.
Oh, so you want him run down the dog instead of the dog run him down?
But I run from the dog. Well, town people different, you know. Then he got town too long. If I'm country in there, he want to take up 2 stones and fling off a dog.
True.
Rani, babes. You didn't tell. You didn't tell Tia say me give you money. Oh, you're so mad. That's why I'm rating in a good school, you're so mad. So what Tia say, eh?
No, you know, so you just
I
say.
don't know, I don't want him to know, you know. I don't hide me ID from him, but me a big man, but remember, we're supposed to keep secret between
No,
us.
me not tell her nothing like that. She already attacked so how I know she in there something there place and you are the man go put her bed out and
Jesus Christ, Father. I want him to tell you, eh? When mommy know hurry up, file him and take him and give me a place to myself. For anything I want to do with him, do with it. Eh? Tia will see me in her, see herself.
Also she had do it, I don't know.
So you never know that? You never know that? So how you train me, babes?
Why? You and your sister, right? Yeah. Yeah, your sister only if you live good, that's what you do.
Matter what saying, I love my sister, you know. I love him, I love me. I just say him go and know all so I never put that on my head.
You go and so him go and so you love go and.
His song I attend you say born with him, me and him born with you. Born with love one another, born with hate one another sometimes. I just saw him stay. Yeah, so
I said I go and check on about since you have company with you but I stay too long.
no man, you know your place man, my place, your place, stay a place, your place, our place. Him not really matter. Him just gone in the room, gone all a vibe. Him a go change look stress, him look stress where him a go try a simple thing that. You know. And I good member say you come check me. If you want to go down, go along in a room, go lie down till me forward or it no matter. Or if you want me to come check you over here, I want to
yeah, brother, you come check me.
Alright. So yeah, you go over look about something?
Yeah, you want me to go.
You know what you want to look about? Cook food though, you know.
Kind of food.
As long as you cook, it no matter.
You can't just dream so me cook.
Jesus Christ, really are the dreaming again. I don't like dreaming, I know why I dream. The only thing I like a nightmare.
Well, have nightmares so me
You
cook.
can't have nightmare, baby, and you did it? What if you have nightmare and you did it, man? Alright, I will dream so you cook, but just cook for real, because dream come true. Here? Alright. Almighty Jesus Christ.
What happened?
Eh?
Where have swear so far?
I can't believe so love. I love you, you know? Jesus Christ. God, that's why I can't give bun, you know, because if my man ain't strong. I know how give bun and get weak on them and then give me, but you're mad. God.
Okay. There, I'm general.
No, so something more access still.
When me I go back up at town?
No, man. You see, 2,000 I put on my pocket in a for rainy day.
Oh yeah man, then a sack said they put it.
Yeah, but me take out it with the next 2,000 I mean, no, me put it down.
When they take out 2,000, they take out their pocket.
No, but me I tell you, say me take out the $1,000 and take out the next $2,000.
Oh, me never see the one day.
And me put it down in the kitchen, that's up. You know see it?
No, so me must say me not nothing in the kitchen. I say me leave it, me not go in the kitchen none at all.
But you not drink water in there?
No, me not drink no water for a morning. Now when you put in there? This morning or last night?
Either last night or this morning.
Last night me I come
I
to
got
bed
my
early.
sister, normal pre, me just ask
in the
you.
kitchen or bathroom. And I said last night me I come to bed early too, you know.
Alright, no sorry, maybe
Because I'm tired and something.
maybe me use it and even remember, but me know me take
You know,
out
say I go like that, I go use it and I remember.
Cause anytime my woman come over here, you know, dog, and me and him start reason, me get connected to him and we start bounce up on one another and collide. Like me no remember nothing, bro.
This morning, me when the nigga come for your bike, cause me did left you out of one bridge and he give me 1,000 and me did buy bun and cheese and something, you know.
You can't eat light food, bro. Me must say that country, you know. You have to buy food, you must buy some rice and
no, me
and
come
cook.
down with the money, I remember. So
No, but me
nigga
say
give me
light
1,000.
food, yeah. So, yo, how mama look?
Me can't answer the question then.
No man, me mean like him look good. Me no mean so. Me couldn't ask that.
Oh yeah man, he look good for you.
He look good for me.
For you.
He alright.
He alright, he look good.
Yeah. I didn't know that me talk about man. Me always like find good.
You're sure na shaggy 2000 and a member say shaggy?
Oh man, me give him 10 to... No, he borrow 10,000 from me. He borrow 10,000 from me. Just keep that right there, so you understand?
You never hear it, tell me no.
Yeah.
There still man.
Yo, hear me say man, just go and focus. I will if a girl there, you know.
Me so fine.
The girl in Love Town, man, you know. Right now, me a one burner, but if me never go down the road and tell a girl say me come from town, I'll 20 of them run on for me.
Yeah, but tell them.
Yeah, man.
I make one of them grab
But
me.
me tell them which part of town you come from, because you say some place a town a thief. Tell them say you come from Port.
No, but me no come from the thieving part, I good part. Me come from but over there kind of badness, but no
right.
thief.
Tell them say you come from Portmore. You know, them look a city place, you know. And tell them say you know the gangster them, but at you, you're not really gangster, but you know a gangster. Tell them say you know some gangster, you know. Yeah. Tell them say anything if you hold them. Because woman like when I tell them lie, you know. Woman not like when I tell them truth. Tell them lie.
You like when you deal with them rough too.
Yeah. Squeeze and throat and give them it. You understand? Alright, so you know me I go link to you.
Alright.
Sis! Sis, how are you there?
Me never
Tia. How are you there? Ride the bike?
No man, I bathroom. Me go wash and so me I go do some laundry and something. By this Saturday, me I wonder if it smell good. Oh. Me I do some laundry. How do you?
You see, we can't find no money to put on, man.
What do you mean I can't find no money to put on? You turn on man now?
No, man, you know, so me have 3,000 somebody give me to put on. I know this somebody want the money. And when me have to look for 3,000, I can't find it. But me know, so me take all the money and put it in there, so I can't find it.
You're good in a member. I good to spend. I good to rum you go buy now. Rum you go buy with the money and a member where you put the money.
Me no drink rum. Me no drink rum. I Hennessy me drink bees and the straight by rum. Like, thank you. You see me?
One more beer.
Me no drink beer, man. Me just sip on the beer because my belly a bit big. But me ask all popping on and he say no seat. So I me access still.
Well, me no see no 3,000 so.
Me lose money at them time. I want wicked thing, you know. Like a 3,000 could have buy all hand up and 2,500 and $500 left, you know.
You see? What make you never say 3,000 that could have paid the man to do the work on the house?
So money no come for pay man for houses.
You short the money, remember? So that the 3,000, you see? I gotta do it. Give me this.
I go watch say, man. I go look at me sleep on the bar.
Go and go look. I go look in your trousers or something. I don't see no 3,000.
Yo.
Jesus, no, sir. You can't go manage this. Jesus. Pop it on.
Hello.
Come here. Sorry for your bother you.
No man, that is no problem, man.
You know say the tree stump and me want you move put over this car. Me have hang out when me hang out close me and I butt my foot pan and then
No
look
problem.
away there so. I'm okay, that's strong and lift up it good. Yeah, that's something I know that one can't move to.
One minute, belly, man.
Oh. Atlas.
Girl.
Mama.
Me have to be at us. Right now it's so hot. How are you out there?
You know, sir. I sit there with the deal with because I bought my foot panny other day. And it's nothing good.
You should drop for lose weight.
Leave me alone.
What's wrong? I see somebody run off, but me not see who. I'm not doping me.
Eh?
I'm not doping me. See.
You sit up in a broad daylight? Eh?
Thomas.
I could have what kind of I could have what kind of up you and see.
Me no, me
And
just.
somebody else see man. You love people business too much of that with you.
Oh, me sit here. Come here, see
That
nobody. Me
no,
see
no,
like
see-
still go so.
You know worry
And
about
then me
that.
hear like you talk to somebody and me not see nobody. You mad?
Shan, you
Yes.
love people business and people yard so what we
You
want?
know what?
I just,
Me not gonna make a dick job.
you know say we don't know. I know disrespect, you know say something here coming. You can't run the country walk.
Right now, I'm back them. Me want to help you if you join the line too.
You join which line?
You live in
You join
line.
which line?
No, you live in line.
I know shelter, I know food for the poor this.
I said if you be food for the poor, from come back and live.
I know food for the poor this, my friend.
Your boy tell us saying we sleep out and do up on the veranda. Me go sleep. 2 pillow,
And I
1 sheet.
bathroom I want to put you.
2 pillow, 1 sheet. Me don't need nothing else. So I go on, friend. You don't cook nothing there for yam.
Shan, what make you terrible so?
No drinks, no.
Where food I go? You ever hungry? You ever hungry? And if where food I go?
No, me head.
I'm must in your head.
Let me think more. So people like who can't use me. Like how they might use
Where
you.
you come up here for? Where you want?
Come
Like
me
what?
call look if them tap use you.
So who they use me?
Your brother and he what name?
Puppy Dan.
So you say puppy dan and a smile. Say I'm puppy you like puppy dan.
Girl, not do that.
So me can ask my friend if he a joke me that make. Sit the
Puppy Dan
morning.
are just somebody with me I help out.
So why every time you talk about puppy dan you smile. Me not like that.
Nothing like that, girl. Your mind too smutty that with you. Puppy Dan are just, me not even know the
Me
nigga.
want to see puppy dan. What puppy dan look like? When come from? Who him be?
So where you want to see Puppy Dan for?
So
A man ya
are
look.
your man?
A man ya
Are
look.
your man?
Shan, you don't need to see Puppy Dan. You don't need to see Puppy Dan. Where you want to see the guy for?
Then me no want to see puppy. Everybody, from me I hear about this puppy dan. A 4 foot you walk on. No puppy for
Shan,
you.
at this I come over here for fast in my business, in my household.
Yeah.
Yeah, police.
Yeah.
Household. That's big
Also,
girl.
you take up man for Adams there with that you don't know when man come. That's why I say.
What is this a girl that me a Puppy Dan that day, girl? You know
See,
see
so-
me and my brother friend.
No, and then your brother friend and your man can you have him locked down and me can't see puppy dan.
How
How much days now puppy dan there and me can't see puppy dan. And me know when me a come in here I go me hear one man voice and me come and me no see him.
No. Me see it say a man you looking now. Man you look on go on home. No man no there for you, go on home.
First thing first, I be a man to up here. So me don't know me.
The surface.
First thing, your brother a junkie and puppy dan goodly. I want a yard boy will walk around and cut grass or something. Me want to know no pay for do what we don't know.
Me surface that this girl that gonna come with me and I have a civil conversation and talk about. How do you feel, belly?
Wow, me I tell you something I know what me. My belly just start hot me this a while ago, me just feel like I'm ready bite me, I have to run off.
Say it from mine.
I just try bun and cheese, man. I don't know if it bun steel or something. I may take up your last one. Because me alone could lift up the one. Very good.
Eh? It good man, it good, it's alright. That will stay for one next time when me I wash again or so.
Me the back in the hall. So my belly kind of run still.
Can't understand. You confused. Hey, come on. What happened? What happened? Where you go?
Be friend me, man. I dream.
You dreamed. Listen to me now. Get up, I'm hungry. I'm hungry breakfast. What's
Babes.
to eat?
If me sleep over me yard, Tia wake me up. I know me I sleep over there, so you wake me up.
But the gas done, every gas night done, me would wake you.
So me gonna take money out of my wallet.
No, me not do that. No, me not do that.
So me gonna take your money out of your money and me put it back and go buy gas.
Me not have no money. The money when me have, me say they go give me mother. So me not have no money.
Do you say about breakfast?
More breakfast, more.
At 5 o'clock you know, at what time you know, 6 o'clock on breakfast no place up until 9 o'clock when me get up and lie down.
You don't see time about 6 o'clock. I saw 10 o'clock. But lie down. Look out at the sun hot. You don't sleep too much, man.
So as I talk about breakfast,
More
you know what I said?
banana, green banana with yam and brown sugar chicken.
You suppose to have a brown sugar chicken. You get the white one.
Curry, get it curry. Which one is the people that cook white chicken?
Some of them are people that can't cook, you know. You know, mash up the chicken and...
Me don't want no white chicken, I want the brown sugar or the curry. Or if you don't get it, you get one steamed fish with the green banana.
Alright, give me money, I go buy and come back.
What you say?
You say give me money, I go buy and come back.
Let me tell you, say, the money when me have said that my mother don't have
Oh,
money.
yeah, that's what you say, man.
You buy.
Babe, that's a chat about money. You know, so why you have to ask you something still? Can I ask Tia? You know, so from what there, me have just a miss, every time I put on money, I missy. But me not say you know, but me just ask you to come over here more while.
No.
First, me miss 3,000. Then, me put on more money again and me can't find any money. And me know them I say, Tia say, I spend and I remember. Me know say I remember, so me put it down there so. So me just ask if you see it and take up your hand. You hold on, and if you give me, when you see me, you name remember.
You know me not do that. Me not see no money for you. Probably you pull out and it last.
No, me not last money. You know that liquor money party shoes, me not last anything the babes.
So I lick that money and party and shoes.
And you, me can't last you too.
Listen to me. If you go and go look the same place the money. If you don't last it and you not spend it, it dead it.
Me look, I'm not spending, I'm not last it. Me look.
When
Tia say no see it, so me ask you.
So when since you start miss money?
How what do you start miss money couple days ago?
When
Or
your
call
friend-
you a week?
When a friend come,
Call it so.
so why you not ask a friend?
Me ask him, but me not thinking, no sir, me not
But
thinking
listen,
my trouble that.
Sense. No, you not miss money. All along me and Tia there. You miss money?
Me ask him already. Me not thinking my trouble that. No sir, me not think so.
Oh, so me. And me take it. I mean, no Tia not take care. Me know me not take it. So how you saying to your friend?
Me never saw you, me ask you, me never saw you, me ask everybody.
You ask me. And you ask Tia down. And we said no. And you go say, me not thinking take it. So me. And Tia take it.
You know say,
I'm not talking about me nobody want no breakfast. Nobody hungry.
Jesus, yo, me can't bother you no more. I come like me can't ask you nothing, bro. Every time you ask something, a problem. Me just ask you something, me never saw you. Me just ask you something and I get upset, bro.
What me ask you something quiet? Me say if you ask a friend, you say you not think of him take it.
Me never say, me just say me not think of him, me never saw him take care
Oh,
of him.
Sammy.
Yeah, Jesus.
I me take it.
Yo, me can't
But
bother
if
you,
you think
bro.
I take care, must me right here.
Yo, me can't bother more, you know, yo.
Look there, party. Every time you tell me you not got no party. Party shoes and party hat and party shirt. It's alright.
Yo, me like
Do you know what I care?
Can't bother me no more while, you know. Me no go on a party out on the front out a chippy me there last night. Me and you them have a drink and something. Me no, how me fi go a party and left here? How me fi do that?
I did been say all along. You come and go tell man about dream like me and you do.
Ah, what? Actually, you see me the shoes. No, man, I just wear go to someone carry rain fall and me never want to wear slippers, man. Oh, God, baby, man, I want to you, man. Alright, me have buy. What you want, blend juice?
No, me don't want nothing for you. Cause that's why you put friend over me and your sister. One here, cause you don't believe say your friend give you money, but you want to accuse me, go ask me, ask me sister. Me don't want nothing for you. Me don't want to do that for one here, man.
When you start for my sister, you come like a
And I find out for me now, sister.
Me
No,
never ask
but
a simple question, you know.
but you
run
ask me question like me a thief.
Me never say, how me fi say that if you how me fi...
Ask your friend. And your friend, I'm happy your friend. Cause all along with that, I know money I miss, I know money I miss. Chum.
So you run me for me out to me answer a question.
Listen to me.
Alright.
You see, until You catch up by yourself, then you can come back. You know the part you chat now.
Oh,
You know the part
so you run me out and you lock shop. Oh. Alright. Me know sir, sister.
I put friend over me and your sister.
Yo, you see Altia man.
And I can't tell you in your mouth.
Yo, me know.
Watch
Yo,
him.
you see Altia man. Yo. Yo.
I'm just hot, so man. So, I'm not going to river somewhere. People can... Yes, my sister-in-law, what one?
What happened?
Me there.
If I tell you what happened, me and your brother done just not too long ago. You have to cuss the man around in the yard.
Our brother do know. What happened?
I don't know. It must say he miss money. And I contract like say I'm being RUTP money.
Yeah, you sure what you said earlier?
Listen to me now. Me ask if he asked you. He not going to tell me how he not think say I use. So me have to ask him, oh, since I think say I use, I'm TV or TV in time to be nice. You don't have to roll customer running man.
Sometimes one day if the man there, if he ain't licking head or something, you know. Me and him not talk about this already. Sure.
You said it, and you know, please say I use TV. And the time me come over there, and you there in my house, me don't want to see if he say I want to so me just cuss him out.
Worry yourself, man. Not put him on practice. It's alright.
You just want him, he must say come over there now.
Oh, it's alright. He's alright.
So me don't want nothing from him.
Yeah, me killer man. School man. Yo, that can't out it up right there. Yo, that can't. Yo, tomorrow here.
Every day tomorrow. Oh, brother, that's the same like care for my bike. All the girl if you give me, I know me can't get the girl.
Yo, oh yeah, move so that when you buy the new bike and me start forward on the bike and take a taxi. I pay a passenger you get to know you tell me that.
You not pay me why since I care for?
Watch out man, you see girl.
Yeah.
Listen man. Hold on man, you see girl, me say up. Girl, me fi give up. Him fly down. So as in thought, I me link him up at hotel and me and you go there. No say nothing. Look up my bike. Hey, bike you bad you see you out.
Yo, look up. Man and girls. Right.
I like one bird. One bird. One bird.
Yo, my baby killer.
Oh, you are far from it. Choose you.
I come from a party, but I tell mama say me I come from a party. I tell him say what I road me the last night me and the dog him. Yeah, the dog him and puppy, but puppy ain't it but you know we no mix up and mingle with flea. So I pray. I day every day so me I go on normal cause I out hot so me just say me I go on. You know me not a friend so me just go on normal. You know? Yeah man, I want my dog that you know. Tugger. Yeah. You want a girl? You say I'll ride him like me problem that.
I hear the conversation man. You must say how long you promise my girl.
Me forget girl from me one burner man.
But you not pay money by taxi.
I got them like with you. I hustling on the street, style and pattern.
Where you take your man off and work, you take your man from and stand and pay him.
Me tell him say if you left me up the road, if you need one cam, could have said no cam. You see me, so I'm come off and work, you see me, but I go to youth
Still
still.
go all asleep now.
Yeah, man, I go. Hold on there, hold on.
Me a whole a leak.
Hold on man, why you move so fast man, you cannot. A nigga there you know you're not popular. If you want to take this and give me
No
that
man, me good man.
if you want this a shoes every can. I
No,
want to
me
popular
good
man.
Look at my chair and then come up man.
Yo, you know say, I second, third time now me ask the dog. Right now me miss some money again, you know that.
Alright.
$5,000 you.
5,000?
Yeah dog.
Okay.
You see me? I mean a woman just argue why. You see
So
me?
who could I do them something
I
you
don't know dog.
Yo, you know say me feel like if it's a place that open up at daytime, it come like somebody a watch or something and come in the yard. You come in and understand you miss so much money.
Me a say dog, I never used to miss my money.
And me know your man not thief
Nah,
from you,
take
bro.
it
And
out,
your sister not thief from you.
I
And me,
not thief from
especially
me,
me, bro.
I know me not spend it.
You're mad, you not do that, man. Maybe if you're drunk, you will spend it.
Me not spend it, me not puppy money. Money.
Money is my lover.
Yo, right now if me hold all woman around stuff you want shows, kicks. And me have to duck him.
This a shoulder.
No, man. Puppy, every time I go and party, I want different shoes. That's why I miss some money, man. Maybe you spend some money and I realize, bro.
Yo.
Come, your woman not thief, right?
Money. No, me not see.
You sure you not see money, dog?
My friend, me not see.
I'm saying I hall me them not going down in the room, you know.
Yo, sorry for the accident.
Yeah, my father, man.
Come on, go up a yard, no, man.
No, me no want to go up because the place hot, so me just there, so I go on easy liquor.
Then me put the fan for brand, man.
Me a forward, man. Me a forward. Me must say me want to leak it. Me a forward.
Oh, alright. You look 40.
Alright, me a look.
Alright, look more. Man a galley. Man a galley. Man a galley.
Alright, me talk to you, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah. And the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. And he maketh me to lie down.
See, so.
Green pastures there, man.
I agree.
Lord, for your victory. Listen. How are you come from?
Oh, my baby.
Okay, baby.
You don't spread up your bed, you know. I can't go lie down.
I made it have here. Eh?
What do you mean if me have made here? If you spread up your bed, no, you're a woman. No, you always spread up your bed. If me are you good, you spread up your bed. If me are you bad, me spread up your bed.
Yesterday evening, you left here. You left your bed and spread. And you expect to come back and see it spread? A housekeeper, take your blasted shoes off for me. But it's not easy. You know, say I get from bad to worse though, bro. Me never know say I saw you turn as a big man. You need to change up your folly grounds, man. Where you go last night?
Out on the front out, I chip it up, so me go.
Oh, that's
Me and the dog them. And puppy name out there. And we not have a flea when we hang out. Tia, when you fight filing I come through, more you go through first, you know, lead it before gentleman, you know. And if you go foreign first, you can send some money, come give me like come me and send money, come
Oh,
give me.
you want to run me away? You want to get rid of me?
Oh, me fi do that,
so
Tia.
you can't have a house to yourself if you do all kind of things.
Who does that? Hey, watch on, man. Then when me run your the bed I go spread up and you go cook food, give me and them thing there.
Oh, so me a maid? Me turn housekeeper for you now.
Tia.
Eh? You can't pay me?
Tia, listen me now. You know, say me not understand your friend, your moment start link up become like me not breathe in. Tia, I know how me say it, me mean it. Sometimes you say some things and I say you mean it, you know. You understand? So me no mean it so like you're maid. You're my nice sexy sister. You, oh, you feel be maid and you not work at hotel. You understand? Me no mean it so Tia. I see him so look well, me ask Ali and my baby, my sweetheart, my putos. You understand? You get what me and say, if you still want money, oh yeah, can me miss some money. And you want, you ain't get mad. And me never saw him, I say, hey, me ask Poppy Dan, and me I say, me ask Poppy Dan, me not think, Tia, you know why you ain't get mad. You get mad.
She no get mad pa you good enough. She no get mad pa you good enough. So you over Aliyah. I can't call me name. Eh? Why you not call Poppy Dan name? Say Poppy Dan thief your money. Why? And me and Aliyah at far. A woman strength to have.
So what on there? If me sleep over my woman and me and woman talk business, all the reach over you saw me just reach over you so.
Omar.
Oh!
Omar.
Aliyah call you.
You no matter if Aliyah want call me. Why you over there torment the girl about money? The girl come here, she ever take your money?
Me?
She ever take your money?
Jesus.
Me ever trouble your money? You have money for me trouble? Eh?
Tia, me no say you trouble my money. Me just see the money miss so more one time and me just ask her.
How much are we in our house?
Me, you, she and Poppy Dan.
The girl hardly come here. Eh? She hardly come here from other day from Poppy Dan is here. So me, you and Poppy Dan they here. And you
Poppy
miss
Dan.
the money. You ask Poppy Dan what Poppy Dan say.
You saw no him.
And you ask me and
And
what
you saw
me
no
say.
you.
And you ask Ali and what
And
Ali
you saw no
say.
him. Everybody start cuss me. A Poppy Dan alone and cuss me.
Nobody not. Nobody now cuss you, know. Nobody now cuss you, but when you go to take up for puppy done.
Jesus Christ, Father
They
God,
take up for
Lord
puppy
Jesus.
done, that's a problem.
Me nah, how me fi take up for puppy done? Me just say me no think of the man take the money.
Oh, but you think of me and Ali take it? And me and Ali take your money? Cause we hungry for money.
Oh, you... Tia, but what you does I get... Oh, not get mad pa me a big man, you know, man. Oh, you get mad pa me, so, bro.
Big man no stay so. Big man no stay so.
Good.
Big man no stay so. So me no you can class yourself as big man.
Me no know why you know cuss me, you know. You see me? Cause me ask Puppy Dan and Puppy Dan son of him and me know no Puppy Dan. You understand? Me no think of Puppy Dan. And me ask Alia. You see me? And Alia son of him. Wish me no see Alia take it, but me no know if I him take it. Now me ask you, my sister, if I you take your son or you. You understand? And me no saw you. But me not sure if I you.
Omar, a thief, you call me? A thief, you call me?
Me not call a thief.
See, if I never one thing, I use all this and knock you out, you know, man. You see you? Me a avoid you, yeah? Me a avoid you, Omar. Me a no... Hey.
Yo. Tia, what me doing no Tia? Tia, what me mommy doing no Tia? Tia, what mommy doing no? Me a call mommy, man. I call mommy.
Friend enemy. No, I know you me attacking on our fans. But me attack the friend enemy them in a real life. But anyhow, when you make it to the end, that means you know watch out the movie, comment and tell who you like from who you like. Big up the fans them on everyone on the channel. True World TV, Coloring Book TV, our Tia Films Puppy Dan.
Tia Flames.
Tia Films and what? Davi
HD.
Davi HD. So just big up the real support of them, the real fans. I remember Puppy Dan's movie are full of comedy. We know the comedy. But the fans them can just laugh and enjoy themselves, them and them family. Room, one True World TV,
One Coloring Book TV and paper. Watch you know. Remember, you know, if you want to do any donation to your team, so if you have your favorite actress or your favorite actor and you just want to send a small donation, you can hit up your number on the screen, man. You understand? And get in contact with them. And if you want to do any donation to Coloring Book TV, hit up your number on the screen.
You say something about donation?
Yeah.
True World TV, Coloring Book TV. Yeah, donation.
How we are get this?
Can we start around somewhere?
So you try to say, my friend enemy show me how to get
You
this.
must have set it up and I'm grateful for you get it.
Hey, we don't watch your movie. I big up on yourself.